संजय घोडावत इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल बेळगाव यांचे 2024-25 या सालाचे वार्षिक स्नेहसंमेलन रविवार दिनांक 19 व सोमवार दिनांक 20 जानेवारी रोजी आयोजित करण्यात आले होते. रविवार दिनांक 19 रोजी प्राथमिक इयत्तेतील विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमाच्या पहिल्या दिवसाची थीम ही परीकथा आणि संशोधन, तसेच सोमवार दिनांक 20 रोजी माध्यमिक इयत्तेतील विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमाच्या दुसऱ्या दिवशी दशावतार अशी ठेवण्यात आली होती. यामुळे संपूर्ण कार्यक्रम संबंधित थीमशी निगडीत तयार करण्यात आला होता. यामुळे वातावरणात एक प्रकारचा उत्साह संचारला होता. यावेळी प्रमुख पाहुणे सीपी गोयंका स्कूल मुंबईच्या संचालिका दीपा भूषण, मुंबई येथील संजीवन वर्ल्ड स्कूलच्या प्राचार्या सीमा नेगी, संजय घोडावत स्कूल मुंबईचे कार्याध्यक्ष विनायक भोसले, संजय घोडावत विद्यापीठाचे चान्सलर उद्धव भोसले यांना निमंत्रित करण्यात आले होते. सन्माननीय अतिथी संजय घोडावत समूहाचे कार्याध्यक्ष विनायक भोसले, संजय घोडावत समूहाच्या संचालिका आणि प्राचार्या सस्मिता मोहांती, संजय घोडावत इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल कोल्हापूरचे अध्यक्ष संजय घोडावत, कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजक आणि संजय घोडावत इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल बेळगावचे मुख्याध्यापक सॅमसन गोन्साल्विस, केजी विभागाचे कोऑर्डिनेटर मार्गारेट गोन्साल्विस तसेच शिक्षक वृंद यांची उपस्थिती लाभली होती. या दरम्यान शाळेतील शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपला 100% सहभाग दर्शवला होता. याप्रसंगी शाळेचे मुख्याध्यापक सॅमसन गोन्साल्विस व केजी विभागाच्या कोऑर्डिनेटर मार्गारेट गोन्साल्विस यांनी गेल्या 10 वर्षांहून अधिक काळ शाळेसाठी सेवा दिल्याबद्दल त्यांचा, तसेच 5 वर्ष सेवा पूर्ण केलेल्या शिक्षक वर्ग आणि शाळेतील इयत्ता 10वी मधील गुणवंत विद्यार्थ्यांचा उपस्थित अध्यक्ष तसेच प्रमुख पाहुण्यांच्या हस्ते सत्कार करण्यात आला. याप्रसंगी प्रमुख पाहुण्या दीपा भूषण यांनी आपल्या भाषणादरम्यान शिक्षक व विद्यार्थ्यांचं नातं तसेच आधुनिक युगामध्ये शिक्षकाची महत्त्वाची भूमिका याबद्दल आपले विचार मांडले.
Good evening and namaste to everyone. Good evening. I'm a teacher, so unless I get a response back, I don't stop. So good evening. That's good. Good Belgaum. And namaste also. It's an absolute honor and privilege to be here at your school today. And when I say your school, I mean all the parents also. Because a school is not just for children. It's for the parents also, right? You agree? Are you all a part of this school? Yes. So, absolute honor and privilege to be here today. And I would like to thank and express my heartfelt gratitude to the visionary Shri Sanjay Ji Godawat, the school leadership, the trustee. Good to hear that. Because the children also, the moment they came on stage, I saw while the children were singing, and even the ones comparing, they were on the lookout for their parents. Where can I see my parent? Are they seeing me? Are they clapping for me? So that's so important. So parenting is all about building a strong, loving bond with our children while guiding them with patience and understanding. It's about listening to them, encouraging them, their unique strengths, and setting boundaries in a way that feels supportive and not strict. Nobody wants strictness, but you do want support. And children need to know that they have a parent, not only a friend, because no one else can parent, only you can. So it's about celebrating what they're doing right and helping them learn from their mistakes. At the end of the day, we don't have all the answers, right? As parents, we've never had all the answers. I always say this, there should be a university for parenting, but there isn't any such university, right? You go with what you know is right and what you think is the right for your child, and no parent wants to do anything incorrect for their child. So do your best, and it surely will be the best for your child. And they will be confident, they will feel loved and valued by you. So to the students performing tonight, I just want to share a simple message. Remember that you are the stars of this magical evening. Embrace this moment wholeheartedly. Whether you are singing, dancing, acting, or playing an instrument, remember that every step you take on stage is a celebration of your uniqueness and hard work. The stage is yours to shine. Once again, I thank you for the warm invitation and for giving me the opportunity to witness the talent and spirit of your school. A huge round of applause for all our children. Thank you very much, and thank you once again for having me here. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
दुसऱ्या दिवशी सोमवारी 20 जानेवारी रोजी माध्यमिक आणि उच्च माध्यमिक शाळेतील विद्यार्थ्यांना संबोधित करताना संजीवन वर्ल्ड स्कूल मुंबई येथील प्राचार्या सीमा नेगी यांनी पाल्य आणि पालकांच्या नातेसंबंधावर उदाहरणासह मार्गदर्शन केले. तसेच विद्यार्थ्यांनी स्वतःची काळजी घेत संस्कृती जपत समाजाशी जोडला गेला पाहिजे. प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपल्या पालक आणि शिक्षकांचा आदर केला तरच ते आपल्या जीवनात यशाची शिखरे सर करू शकतील असे त्यांनी सांगितले.
I am between you and the cultural extravaganza, right? So if I'll get the energy, I'll leave the space early so that we can see students performing. So let's try again. Good evening. Wow, that's good, you know. This is my first time at Belagavi, and I'm so happy to see such energetic parents. So I was sitting and I was thinking, ma'am has given me this responsibility that I have to address you. What do I tell you? You know, you are such empowered parents who thought out of the box and who thought, yes, we have to give international education to our children. So today, you are here in the school that is following IGCSE curriculum, right? You're giving wings to your children. But since it is annual day, a story comes to my mind. Are we ready for the story? Wonderful. I need that energy, okay? Otherwise, I'm not going to leave the stage. So what happens, once this lovely Rahul comes home and tells his parent, you know, I have got the best role in annual day. Because you have all come to see annual day, so you want to see your child performing. And every day he used to come with a lot of enthusiasm and used to say, oh, you know, today I did so much, I have got the best role in annual day. So his parents were pretty excited. They were waiting for that particular day. And the D-Day came. His parents were sitting like this, first row, mobile in their hand. They wanted to capture the moment. So one dance, second performance, third performance, everything happened. And they did not see Rahul. So the mother was very angry. She saw Rahul coming, running and coming to her. Did you see me? I was so good. She said, but I did not see you. You did not come on the stage itself. And the little Rahul said, didn't you see me? I was the one standing there near the curtain, and I was the one who was cheering for everyone. So this is what you need to do. You need to cheer for everyone, and please understand students' perspective. I'm a very pro-student person. Everywhere I say by the student, with the student, for the student. Parents, please understand. We are dealing with a generation who we really do not know how to deal with. Many of us are sandwich generation. You know, we have, whatever our parents tell us, we listen to them, right? All of us. And whatever our children tell, we listen to them also. So we are the sandwich generation. It's you and me, or you or school who will have to change. Think about the school. And knowing Mohanty ma'am, the kind of dedication she has for the school, you know what comes to my mind? The chariot is there, and the student of SGIS are sitting on the chariot. And when school pulls it, parents, you cheer for them. And when you will pull it, I am sure, ma'am, the entire staff will cheer for them. So that is what is needed. The more we collaborate, the more we come together, the more we say that behind a child stands a visionary school and understanding parent, the journey becomes very beautiful. And that is the journey we have to take forward. Because again, we are in the day and era where, as per World Economic Forum, by 2025, which is this current year only, 85 million skills will be eliminated. 85 million. But 97 million new skills will come. Whose responsibility is it to instill those skills? It's a joint responsibility, you and school. And when school does that, be there to support them. And all the schools, I have seen most of the schools, wherever parents are cooperative, trust me, the schools are thriving, the children are thriving. So we all look forward from you to support us, to support your school, to support your child's journey. If you do not know where you are coming from, you will never know where you have to go. So please respect the country that you are coming from. ऋग्वेद में लिखा है, मनुर्भव, शिक्षा का उद्देश्य है मनुष्य बनाना. And I think all the schools, either it's my schools or ma'am or sir school, this is what we are doing. Parents, have trust in your school and see how beautifully your child will bloom. Thank you so much. Thank you.
कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष संजय घोडावत यांनी आपल्या भाषणात विद्यार्थ्यांना दान, धन, कष्ट आणि आपले शरीर सुदृढ राखण्याची गरज याबद्दल मार्गदर्शन केले. तसेच शाळेच्या यशाबद्दल बोलताना संजय घोडावत स्कूल ही देशात 4थ्या व महाराष्ट्रात प्रथम क्रमांकावर असल्याचे सांगितले.
Dignitaries on the dais, today's chief guest Deepa Bhushan ji, Director of Goenka School, Mumbai. Thank you very much, ma'am, for coming and gracing the function and for your precious time. Trustee Vinayak ji Bhosle, VC Uddhav ji Bhosle, Director Mohanty ma'am, Principal sir, all teaching, non-teaching staff, my dear parents and students. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students and staff of Belgavi School for all the awardees for getting the awards, and those who didn't get the award, don't be dejected. Next time will be yours only. So I would like to congratulate Mohanty ma'am also and Vinayak Bhosle for their unwavering support and relentless efforts to make Sanjay Ghodawat International School number 1 rank as a number 1 in Maharashtra and number 4th in India. So congratulations, ma'am. And we have started this school in 2017, and now there are 1200 students. So the progress is phenomenal, and we have taken over one school in Pune also, in Mulshi. So we have got very good response there also, and my vision is that to make this SGIS brand number 1 brand in India. And I have full confidence in Mohanty ma'am and Vinayak Bhosle and each and every staff of SGIS that the day is not far. Today's themes, fairy tale and Anveshan, both have very deep meaning. The fairy tale, I'm fan of fairy tales like Cinderella, Snow White and 7 Dwarfs, The Beauty and the Beast, because every fairy tale go through challenges and struggle. Our lives also go through challenges and struggle, because challenges are a part of life, but how to face them is art of life. So we should face all challenges, and we should teach all our children to face the problems and challenges and pressures of the life. क्योंकि challenges तो आते ही रहेंगे, pressures आते ही रहेंगे. हर कोई आजकल कहता है कि मुझे pressure है, मुझे challenges है, और लेकिन इस pressure में भी अगर हम pressure cooker जैसे रहते हैं कि नीचे से आग है, ऊपर से steam है, फिर भी वो मज़े से सीटी बजाता है, तो इस तरह अगर हम बच्चों को सिखाएंगे कि चैलेंजेस लाइफ में आएंगे और उसमें से कैसे हम जाएंगे, क्योंकि भगवान ने हर एक को एक रोल दिया हुआ है। हमारी लाइफ मीन्स एक मूवी है और उसमें हमें एक कैरेक्टर दिया है भगवान ने, तो वो कैरेक्टर कैसे अच्छे से हम प्ले करते हैं उसके ऊपर हमारा लाइफ डिपेंड है। और जाने के बाद लोगों ने बोलना चाहिए कि इसने बहुत अच्छा किरदार निभाया और इसकी मूवी हिट है, ऐसे बोलना चाहिए। इसलिए हमेशा बच्चों को हमें ये सिखाना चाहिए कि लेने के लिए ज्ञान, देने के लिए दान और त्यागने के लिए अभिमान सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। नहाने से तन की शुद्धि, नहाने से तन की शुद्धि, दान से धन की शुद्धि, अच्छे विचारों से मन की शुद्धि और अच्छे संस्कारों से जीवन की शुद्धि होती है। ये अगर हम बच्चों को सिखाएंगे तो उनका लाइफ यहीं से अच्छा हो जाएगा। कि 92 में यह जो ग्रुप शुरू किया था तब मेरा कैपिटल था 2 लाख रुपया और सिर्फ 2 लोग थे, मैं और मेरा सेल्समैन। लेकिन कर्नाटक के लोगों ने और महाराष्ट्र के लोगों ने मुझे अच्छी तरह से साथ दी और जो भी हम करते गए उसमें सबने पूरा प्यार दिया हमें और अच्छी तरह से सपोर्ट किया। और उसकी वजह से आज मुझे कहने में खुशी महसूस होती है कि 2 लाख और 2 लोगों से शुरू किया हुआ है ग्रुप आज टाटा के बाद वर्ल्ड में दूसरा ग्रुप है जो नमक भी बनाता है और एयरलाइन भी चलाता है। वो अन्वेषण, उसका भी मीनिंग बहुत डीप है। अन्वेषण का मतलब है कि सर्च, जो फाइंड कहते हैं हम, कि हमें अपने आप को ढूंढना है कि हम कहाँ हैं। हम सुबह जब उठते हैं तब हमें पर्पज़ अपना मालूम चाहिए। बच्चों को भी अगर आप अभी से सिखाएंगे कि आपका पर्पज़ लाइफ का ढूंढिए और वो पर्पज़ जो है वो फुलफिल कैसे हो उसके लिए हमें मेहनत करनी चाहिए। उसे जापान में इकिगाई कहते हैं। और मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि जो कुछ भी लगेगा HGIS नंबर 1 बनाने के लिए इंडिया में हम कोशिश करेंगे हमारी तरफ से। आपका भी सपोर्ट, आपने जो आज तक जो विश्वास दिखाया है HGIS पे और संजय घोड़ावत ग्रुप पे, वो हमेशा ऐसे ही रहेगा, ऐसे मैं मानता हूँ। धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।
मान्यवरांच्या भाषणानंतर सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमात भाग घेतलेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी एकाहून एक असे सरस उत्कृष्ट अभिनय तसेच नृत्याविष्काराने उपस्थितांची मने जिंकली।
amazing and a blissful program. Too good. 3 cheers for SGIS. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you so much, choreographers, teachers, staff. Sir, amazing, sir, it was. Thank you.
So thank you for this wonderful event. We have waited since 2 years, and you have raised the bar of SGIS in Belgavi, and it was truly mesmerizing. All the performances from yesterday we have seen, right? It has taken up SGIS to another level, right? Thank you for the whole team of SGIS, and especially the people, those who have worked behind this, and the choreographers. A big round of applause for all the choreographers. Thank you.
I would like to thank the whole SGIS team for this wonderful, mesmerizing extravaganza. But actually, any gathering we would have been seen earlier would have connected to Bollywood songs. This was the first extravaganza, which was like showing we were connected to the roots and where we are going to be supposed to the next level of our life too. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the choreography team. And it was wonderful performance. Thank you.
Yes, I would really like to thank the Sanjay Godavat team for making our kids aware about our roots, our dharma. Really thanks a lot, sir, for this.
Hello, good evening everyone. What a night it was. All SGI's staff, choreographers, students, principal and Mohanty ma'am, you have really made this annual day an extravaganza. All schools and institutes should learn from SGI how to make and how to create such a evening where all parents and all the students are taken back to their roots. All the schools just make it an as a Bollywood night, but here you have taken the annual day to a next level where you have shown all the Dashavatars of Vishnu Avatar. We had learned all the stories in our schools, but it was back to our school, and we are really happy that you have introduced all the children of SGI to this mythological character which has been lost totally. Thank you, sir. Thank you, choreographers. And thank you, Sanjay Godavat International School, for making our children realize their roots back to their roots. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I think after a very long time, I saw something of this level. It's nothing less than, a Filmfare Award or some international function that you would see. And the theme, fabulous. I'm being honest, there were a lot of avatars that I did not know about and I did not know the story about. And thank you to the staff, to the organizers, to the choreographers, to the person who conceptualized this entire theme and this function. Because of you, I learned about a lot of avatars today. Fabulous job to all of you.
Yes, good evening everyone. I guess everyone had a fab time. I thank the management principal of this school. This was such an eye-opener for all of us. Thank you so much for giving this grand evening. Actually, last year too, we had a very good time, and this time as well. Thank you so much.
So when we announced for the annual day, the charges and everything, I was like 2000? It's too much. बहुत हो गया यार, 2000 में क्या करेंगे? Costume ही नहीं देने वाले. Then, after seeing this event, I'm like 2000 में कुछ भी नहीं है. It was apart from that. The experience was like more than watching my favorite movie or concert, I can say. It was really excellent. And good teamwork from SGIS team and all the students, you were all very lovely. Thank you.
Shubha Sanjay, ellarigu namaskara. It was too good, sir, too good. First of all, I congratulate on behalf of all parents. It was mesmerizing. Actually, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸಿಂದ ಆಯಾದಿಂದ ಈ ಹೌಸ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ದಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಮ್ಮ SGIS ಬಹಳ ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
सर। सबसे पहले सभी को नमस्कार। और एक चीज कहना चाहूँगा, सिंपल सी चीज है, शिक्षित और सुशिक्षित में एक फर्क रहता है। लिटरेट इज शिक्षित, सुशिक्षित इज एजुकेटेड। एजुकेशन विदाउट वैल्यूज नो यूज। एग्जैक्टली संजय घोड़ावत स्कूल वही काम कर रही है। दे गिव एजुकेशन विथ वैल्यूज। आजकल जो एक माहौल चल रहा है, हर जगह फर्क नजर आ जाता है, डिफ्रेंसिएशन नजर आ जाता है, लेकिन बट जब हमारे बच्चे हैं, इनको बचपन से ही व्हेन वी मेक अवेयर अबाउट द थिंग्स, मेक अवेयर अबाउट अदर रिलीजन्स, कास्ट, क्रीड, सिस्टम्स, जब लोग धर्म को समझते हैं तो वो उनको रिस्पेक्ट करना शुरू करते हैं। आजकल जो एक एटमॉस्फेयर बना है, उसमें एक पॉजिटिव वाइब पैदा करने का काम संजय घोड़ावत स्कूल कर रहा है। मुझे प्राउड फील होता है कि मेरे दोनों बच्चे इसी स्कूल में हैं, क्योंकि ये स्कूल वो है जो हमारे देश, हमारे नेशन भारत देश को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। ये वो स्कूल है जहाँ पर क्रिसमस भी मनाया जाता है, ये वो स्कूल है जहाँ पर दिवाली भी मनती है, ये वो स्कूल है जहाँ पर ईद भी मनाई जाती है। सो दिस इज व्हाट आवर रियल नेशन इज। आई ट्रूली थैंकफुल टू द संजय घोड़ावत स्कूल। और कल भी मैं यहाँ पे मौजूद था, संजय घोड़ावत सर खुद यहाँ पर मौजूद थे। उन्होंने भी बहुत मेस्मराइजिंग स्पीच दी, इंस्पिरेशनल थी। हम लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं, ये समझाया उन्होंने। एक्चुअली उनसे पता चल जाता है कि उनके वैल्यूज, उनके एथिक्स, उनके प्रिंसिपल वो हमारे बच्चों में कैसे इनकलकेट कर रहे हैं। शायद आप सभी ने स्कूल में संजय घोड़ावत सर का एक कोटेशन पढ़ा होगा, व्हेन आवर यंग जनरेशन विल स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग बिजनेस पर्सन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ सेलिब्रिटीज लाइक फिल्म स्टार्स या फिर ऐसा कुछ, तब ऑटोमेटिकली देश तरक्की करेगा। उसकी नींव मतलब फाउंडेशन वो इस स्कूल से रखना शुरू कर चुके हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच टू संजय घोड़ावत, द चेयरपर्सन संजय घोड़ावत सर, एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू, स्पेशल थैंक्स टू सैमसन सर, जिनको मैं पिछले 7-8 साल से जान रहा हूँ। हर बार उनका एक नया रूप देखा है। दशावतार शायद उन्होंने बच्चों के जरिए दिखाया हमें, लेकिन दशावतार में यहाँ के सभी टीचर्स, सभी स्टाफ है। तो थैंक यू सो मच एंटायर संजय घोड़ावत स्कूल। ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾಫ್
ಸರ್. ಈ ಥರ ಇದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಏನು ನಡೀತಿದಲ್ರಿ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸು, ಇದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ವಿನಂತಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಸರ, ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಓದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ನಮ್ಮ GTV ನೋಡ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇದೇ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
It was much mesmerizing, and the event like this, first time in our life, and I would like to thank first choreographers, and with that SGI principal sir and staff, and you please keep going on like this only in future. So best of luck, sir. Thank you, sir.
Firstly, congratulations to the SGIS for attempting such a wonderful event successfully. And I am very happy that my son will be depicted as a Kurma Avatar. Especially, I am very happy for that. Thank you.
Good evening. All I want to say is that I feel so blessed and grateful that my brother studies in the school. I feel left out. Kash main bhi yahan padh pati. So it's such a beautiful school. It gives such beautiful values also. So thank you so much for the whole SDISU. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Aarti Nandi, Gauri's parents. Sir, congratulations all the staff and the choreographer and SGIS school. मैं एक ही बात बोलना चाहती हूँ, यहाँ बच्चों में सनातन धर्म जागृत कर दिया। जो अहमदाबाद में हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है कि क्या होता है, रामायण क्या होता है, कृष्ण क्या होता है, महाभारत क्या होता है, ये सब बच्चों में दिखा दिया। बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही मेस्मराइजिंग। हर साल ऐसे ही चलता रहे तो ये मेरा